IRFX. We're gonna go with the 30%. Going European style. Note to the wise too, if you're running 60-inch rolls, like in a shop, I guess it really wouldn't matter, because if you had like some people have dedicated plotter rooms where they have their film out of the boxes on walls and ready to go, right? I have to keep it this way because I'm mobile as well, so I need to be able to take my film and bring it with me. But I chopped down a 60-inch roll down 20/40, but then the boxes end up breaking, right? So then I have to roll around with it upside down. So if you're a mobile guy like me, what I would probably suggest is to roll with 40-inch rolls and 20-inch rolls separately. Now, if you're a shop and you have a dedicated room and you don't need the film to be in boxes, then I would do it this way. I would get 60-inch rolls, I would chop it down 20 and 40, and then that way you could save. It costs a little more to go 40-inch boxes and 20-inch boxes, but they're easier to handle, maneuver, and move around. Also, it makes you look, it's like instead of having, like these are power bills, right? These are hundreds. Imagine these are 50s. They're still power bills, but you get twice the leverage, right? So you'll have a 40-inch box, a 40-inch roll, and a 20-inch roll, but it'll make it look like you have an immense amount of inventory. So if ever anyone comes and sees, then it looks like you're ready to rock, right? So that's my opinion, just because this is now a pain in the butt, because this box the bottom half did tear, just because of the sheer weight of it. And now it really bothers me that I have to put it in upside down, because if I put it in right side up, then the bottom falls out. So, fair warning. This is 30, right? Let's double check.